Here at Campbell's, we ensure our processes meet the four main objectives of IT governance. The first objective met during Project Harmony was to make the most of existing business opportunities using IT. Our implementation of SAP allowed the company to outsource our IT operations, including our application software, onto our IT partners IBM. These applications became more simplistic, giving us, the management team, the opportunity to enhance operation efficiency and effectiveness. This, in effect, has benefited our operation processes. The second objective reflected in Project Harmony was to apply techniques and to use appropriate management in dealing with IT-related risks. Our original complex applications made everyone involved in our operations confused. This was due to overlapping data entry, generating risks in data collection. We appropriately managed these risks by outsourcing IT operations to IBM. Campbell's have since had improved data inflow, allowing us to make more informed decisions when changing aspects of the business.
So we as line managers need to be focused on the other two objectives that create project harmony. These other two objectives are key when communicating this process to the vice employees of campus. The third and fourth objective that we'll use when creating project harmony will the use of IT to meet the company's goals and ensuring that IT resources are used appropriately. With these last two objectives in mind, we wanted to motivate the board to establish a standardized application for our global company. Our main objective was for hands of campus to create a way to simplify the communication of using different applications, which lead to overlap of information. The way we as line managers accomplished this was asking employees what they thought would work best. The conclusion was outsourcing, so with this in mind, Campbell outsourced this to IBM to help create an up-to-date database to store unrelevant information concerning campus operation.
And the key driver of business benefit is moving to a standardized platform. This allowed the mechanism to empower line managers and their teams to have access to real-time information that assist daily decisions, which made our operations more efficient and cost-productive. The success of Project Harmony is based on strong leadership, governance, and proactive risk management strategies to control, measure, and mitigate risk from occurring. A three-stage governance structure was put in place, including senior management buy-in to champion Project Harmony as the main focus of the organization, establishment of an operating committee that managed the daily project, ensuring its budget, time, schedule, and escalating of risks to senior management for resolution, and implementing an advisory group external to the project team to guide the project teams and raise any concerns from external perspective. Campbell has become a competitive, viable, and robust business in the marketplace. Our employees are empowered to manage daily operations across the supply chain. As a senior executive of the Campbells, I'm very satisfied that we have met our objective due to the outcomes of Project Harmony. I'm pleased with the benefits realized across the company.
Everything can be linked back to IT governance, but us as management needed to decipher what components of the AS8015 model of IT governance that we needed to focus on, and what components we needed the line managers to focus on. It was simple. The three main components of the model are direct, evaluate, and monitor. With these key features in mind, we could then look deeper into the smaller processes that were involved within the model. These smaller components we decided needed to be managed by line managers, as they are closer to the business operations and the projects within the business. When looking at the three key components of the model, we also look at ICT projects and ICT operations involved within Campbell's. These key parts are all linked together to create a base for standardization of Campbell's operating systems.
As line managers, we are asked to focus on the smaller components of the AS8015 model. These smaller sections help us as line managers to identify the business needs. The monitoring part of the model focuses on performance and conformance. When looking at the business operation, we are told to find where productivity is low and respond to this by implementing new applications and training to stop the drop in performance. When looking at evaluating, business processes and proposals are key. These sections have allowed Campbell's to create Project Harmony. The final component of the model are the most important. When the company asked us to look at the business pressures that are evident within the company, we identified that the changes in technology, that were supposed to help with the day-to-day operation were more of a hindrance than a help, as the applications that were used overlapped or duplicated the information.